Funny how life works. Net toe ek opgehoop het, toe stap jy in en alles voel weer moontlik. Ek het geleer om alleen te staan, my eie storms maar self te dra. Ek het gesê my hart is veilig as niemand ooit te naby kom nie. Toe kyk jy net reg deur my mure, met hy oë wat my stil laat raak. Nou glimlag ek oor klein goed weer, en dis lang terug dat dit gebeur het. Ek probeer rustig asemhaal, maar elke keer as jy naby kom, vergeet my hart al my reëls. Jy laat my weer in liefde glo, like the sky after the rain. Ek wil nooit weer my hart oopmaak nie, but you changed everything. Jy voel soos unreal wanneer jy glimlach, like peace inside my soul. Maybe forever starts like this, with someone I never saw coming. I built my wall so high and strong that I'd be better on my own. Then you reached out without a word, and somehow silence felt like home. Every laugh, every little touch makes my heart believe again. You're the chapter I never planned, but now I never wanna end. Jy laat my weer in liefde glo, like the sunrise in my eyes. Ek probeer sterk bly, but I melt every time you're by my side. Jy laat my glo in more is weer, something worth the fight. Maybe this is destiny, maybe you were always mine. Girls keep saying don't fall too quick, but you make my heartbeat do that trick. Ek speel cool, maar jy sien reg deur my. Every little crack, every hidden scar. You don't fix me, you just need to stay, and somehow that changes everything. No fake promises, no empty lines, just real moments, one at a time. As jy my hand vat, voel dit reg. No more running, no more fear. Maybe love ain't perfect anyway. Maybe it's just you right here. Jy laat my deur die wêreld sien, like colors after black and white. Ek wou ophou droom, no, sal ek saam jou droom vanaand. Jy voel soos iets wat altyd moes wees, not just another goodbye. If this is where my story starts, then I'll stay for all my life. As môre kom en jy's nog hier, sal ek weet ek was reg om weer te glo. Want hierdie keer voel liefde soos jy.